Napakalambot and napakasarap ang coffee chiffon cake. Lutuin na natin. Gagamit tayo ng instant coffee and hot water and mix. Pag na-melt na ang coffee, ilagay ang egg yolks and beat until smooth. Add sugar, oil, and vanilla. Mix very well. Then add milk and mix until combined. Sift cake flour, salt, and baking powder. Diretso na sa liquid mixture. Mix until no lumps. Sa mirang, gagamit tayo ng egg whites and white vinegar. Beat until frothy and gradually add ang sugar. I made 3 additions of sugar and i-beat natin until peaks form. Maglagay ng konting mirang sa butter to loosen the base. Gently fold and mix. Then ilagay ang loosened butter sa mirang. Fold and mix gently until combined. Ilagay na sa baking pan and run skewers few times and top para matanggal ang bubbles. I-bake sa preheated oven for 30 minutes. Let it cool before tanggalin sa baking pan. Masarap i-partner sa kape or tea. Kainan na!